Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make simple, creamy, and delicious broccoli cheese soup.
Broccoli and cheddar soup is so creamy and comforting. It's full of lots of fresh broccoli, tender potatoes, and lots of cheddar cheese. Pair it with some crusty bread and you have a delicious meal. So let's get started.
To get started, I have some broccoli here and I'm going to chop up about 4 cups of broccoli florets. I'm just going to cut them into small sized pieces. We're not going to be pureeing or blending the soup at the end. I kind of like the soup to be a little bit on the chunkier side. Also, if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe so that you can support me in continuing to share simple and delicious recipes with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. This is literally the only time my son will eat broccoli, which makes me happy, so I'll take it. Next, I have 2 potatoes that I'm going to peel and slice, and I'm going to cut each slice into fourths. Cutting it this way is just going to help it to cook a little bit quicker. And here's an example of what it should look like, kind of like a triangle with a curved edge. Potatoes aren't typically an ingredient of broccoli and cheddar soup, but my family really loves the texture that it gives. In a pan over medium heat, I'm going to melt 3 tablespoons of butter. After the butter is finished melting, I'm going to add in half an onion that I diced. And I'm going to cook it down until it's slightly softened. This will take about 3 minutes. I hope that you guys are having a great day. When I was filming this video, I actually had a really bad stiff neck and I didn't feel like cooking. Honestly, I just wanted to lie in bed, but I forced myself to get up and I started prepping this recipe, and honestly, I started feeling better. I don't know if it was a distraction or cooking is therapeutic for me, but hey, lesson learned. Do what you love when you're in pain. Now I'm going to stir in 2 cups of whole milk along with 2 cups of chicken broth. The milk is going to make the soup nice and creamy. Now I'm going to add in the broccoli florets that I chopped earlier. Along with the potatoes. And I'm going to stir everything together. You can definitely serve this soup for dinner, and like I mentioned before, it pairs well with some crusty bread. And it's also great if you want to take a break from meat and seafood like we're doing tonight. You can also make a side salad, so it could be a soup, salad, and breadsticks kind of night. I remember those days at the Olive Garden. Make sure to season the soup well with salt and pepper. I'm going to bring this soup to a boil, and then I'm going to cover and lower the heat to medium-low, and then let it simmer for about 15 minutes until the potatoes are nice and tender. 15 minutes has passed and it is looking good. The broccoli and the potatoes are now tender, and it's time to add the cheese. I'm going to add 8 ounces of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to remove from heat and I'm going to stir until the cheese is completely melted. This is my favorite part. I just love watching the cheese just kind of blend into the soup. And we are through. I can't wait to dig in. As always for you guys, I have the full written recipe in the description below. This is definitely a quick and easy soup that you're going to love, even if you don't like broccoli, just like my son. What I like to do while it's piping hot, I like to garnish it with a little bit more sharp cheddar cheese over the top, along with some fresh cracked pepper. Look how delicious this looks, and made with only a handful of ingredients.
So good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.